So are you seeking a new income stream and have interest in real estate? If so, I have an irresistible offer for you. I will give you my book called How to Be a Quick Turn Entrepreneur in Any Economy, which literally is a seminar in a book at no cost to you. Now this book is $14.99 on Amazon, and if you give me a couple of minutes, I'll show you how to get it absolutely free. Sound like a deal? Hi, this is Ron Legrand, and for well over 4 decades now, I've been buying and selling and buying and holding properties, and still do to this very day. Over these years, I've written several books on the subject of real estate investing, and frankly, the one I'm holding right here is the best because it's a step-by-step process on how anyone can get started and get checks quickly. So today, I want to give you a free copy of my best-selling book called How to Be a Real Estate Entrepreneur in Any Economy. What you'll learn in this book is the difference between struggling, how to get started, and creating a launch pad that'll serve you for many years in the future and create income and wealth along the way. It takes you step by step through the process. You'll learn why you don't need money or credit or a real estate license or any previous experience. You'll learn how to get in, get out quickly, and get a check without risk. Plus, you'll learn how to work less and make more and achieve financial independence as quickly as possible. And I'll show you how to do this without banks, contractors, loans, credit checks, and most of the other costly entanglements people think are involved in real estate. This book will save you years of trial and error that I experienced and help you avoid a lot of costly mistakes. It'll show you the secret strategies that I've used over 4 decades now and show you how I've closed thousands of properties without using my money or my credit, and help you do the same. You'll learn the deals that I do and the pros and cons of each of those deals and how you can follow them step by step to avoid the mistakes that I've made. Normally this book sells for $14.99, but I want to help more people get started during these tough times. It's free. So if you act now, you can get the virtual copy of this book and the companion audio absolutely free. And when you order, you'll have an option, because if you'd like to get the hard copy, just pay the shipping and handling and we'll send it to you as well. So cut through the noise and get started in a 6-figure real estate business by reserving your copy today. Just click on the link around this video to claim your free copy now.